What? Huh?
No, you're constant. You're constant.
Yeah, the first time I experienced them, I'm the same way. I'm like, these things never shut up.
They don't shut up.
No, they pretty much don't shut up. No.
But there you go. I thought it really fascinating. Forest workers in Illinois put this together. About the 17-year dirt nap. And also there's a combination of another 100 years to get it. It's fascinating.
We're getting two waves, too. Yeah. Because I had the scientific thing. I had to down some. We're getting two waves. Right. Usually there's just one wave. But because of numbers and how the cycles work, every once in a while, it's often, I don't know how many years it is.
Right.
Where the two hit and they...
Right, yeah.
They both happen at the same time.
There's good eating too, I hear. All right, but I can't eat them because it's a shelf thing.
Well, again, you're not in shellfish, so that makes sense.
People with I'm not kidding. People with shellfish allergies do not eat cicadas. You cannot. They will make you sick. Your throat could swell up. Why do you think it sounds like I'm making it up? I'm not making it up.
You would be cicadas.
Oh. No. The video is on our website. Forest workers dressed up as cicadas to act out their life cycle. I found it extremely entertaining. Seriously. It's like something we'd have to watch in school, but now we don't have to watch it, so we want to watch it. It's on our website, bigcheese1079.com. Everything you've ever wanted to know about cicadas. Or if you've got kids, you're trying to explain it to them. It's been a while.
There you go.
You don't remember? There you go. Watch that video and be like, yeah, in 19 years, and now the 17, if you count the lava stages, all of a sudden these beautiful wings develop. And then they go, do you know the males are the ones making the noise?
I did not know.
The males do that. They go up to the tippy top of the trees, and they do the, whatever that sound is, because they're calling in the ladies. Then the ladies actually, at a time, will lay 600 eggs. And they actually make grooves in the trees with their, I don't know, with those nasty claws or if it's their fangs, but they actually cut slits in the trees and they put this, okay, whatever, watch the video, it's on our website. Coming up next, you thought that was awful. Wait till you hear the news that Paul Harper VCUs. Couple of stories that caught my eye.
Well, when you put it out.
Just out the eye of the newsman. Can we get better? We're going to try. It's next on the Big Cheese Morning Show.
Borski's is home to the best breakfast, lunch, dinner, and pizza. Serving 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Savor Borski's very own Sunday filling smoked meats and buckets of chicken. Get signed up for Thursday Bag Week. Let Borski's cater your business or party, and don't miss Double Bubble at the Bar, Monday through Thursday only from 3 to 6. Borski's on Oregon Drive in Mozambique.